This is Ember Cloud centimeter review. Let's open this up. So this is Ember Cloud Collagen Retinol and Stem Cell Day and Night Moisturizer. Let's go. All right, ooh, this is gonna be one of those pumps. My kids love these kind of things. Here we go. All right, you gotta prime it. Whoa, there we go. There it is. So I love these. They're fun and satisfying to pump, but also it's very hygienic. Like you're not dipping your fingers into the big vat of cream or something. So there it is. It's nice and white. It's very like thin feeling. We'll do it on my neck. That's what we'll do. Ooh. Yeah, no fragrance. Really? Ooh, yeah, okay. That's nice and creamy and thick, but not like heavy. It's kind of an in-between. That's nice. I like it. Okay, so that's why it's day and night. So if you use it during the day, you put on your SPF after, and then you can also wash your face and then put this on at night as well with retinol. That's another reason extra important when you use retinol products to use your SPF, guys. Advanced hydration with hyaluronic acid and niacinamide. Made in the USA, this is 1.7 ounces. Directions: apply to cleansed face and neck morning and night, massaging until absorbed. Follow with sunscreen in the morning. Use daily, enhanced with plant stem cells. All right, I like this. I'm gonna keep this out and start using it.